Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So let's start today's class. Today we are going to learn about scientific notation. So let's see what do you mean by scientific notation. So here scientific notation means product of a number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. Integral power of 10. So let's understand this statement with the help of a simple format. See what they are saying, product of a number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. Product means what? Definitely there will be a multiplication. Okay, now what they are saying, a number between 1 and 10. This box means empty box, okay? Empty box where we can put the numbers between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. So, in this part, we can have a number between 1 and 10. So, second thing what they are saying, and integral power of 10. That means, in terms of power of 10. So, that power should be integral power. What do you mean by integral power? Integral power means it could be positive integer, it could be negative integer, but it should not be a fraction. So, with the help of this simple format for a scientific notation, we will understand the following examples. So, let's see. So, here we have the following examples. So, with the help of the format for a scientific notation, we will check whether the given notations are scientific notations or not. Let's see. So, with the help of tick and cross, we are going to check. If it is a scientific notation, it is a scientific notation, then we will put tick mark. If it is not a scientific notation, then we will put cross mark. So, let's start. So, here, for understanding what we will do, we will say this as the first part, this will be as a second part. Okay. Now, in this example, that is first example, 7 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay. So, in this notation, the first part is what? 7. First part is what? 7. And 7 is between 1 and 10. That means first part is okay. Now, we will check the second part. So, in second part, we have 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power 4. And we want in terms of power of 10s only. Power of 10 only. But that power is what? Positive power. That means the given notation is a scientific notation. Just remember one thing. The power can be positive or it could be negative. But that should be the power of 10 only. Okay. Now, let's see the next example. So, here we have 0.8 into 10 raised to the power 7. So, let's take the first part of it. So, 0.8 is 0.8 between 1 and 10. Let's check it. We know that between 0 and 1, this 0.8 will come. That means it is not between this 1 and 10. So, the first part is not okay. That means the given notation is not a scientific notation. Because the first part must be between 1 and 10. And 0.8 is between 0 and 1. That's why cross. That means it is not a scientific notation. Now let's see the third example. 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So let's see the first part of it. That is, we have here 9. So which is between 1 and 10. Then first part is okay. Now we will go to the second part. That is 10 raised to the power minus 6. And as we have discussed that power can be negative. The only thing is that it should be the power of 10. And here we have the power of 10 only. So 10 to the power minus 6, that is, it is a negative power. Then also okay. But here should be a 10. Okay, now that means it is a scientific notation. So in short, the power can be positive or it could be negative. Okay, now we will move on to the next example. 8.9 into 5 raised to the power 2. Now let's see the first part of it. In the first part we have 8.9 which is between 1 and 10. So 8.9 will definitely come between 1 and 10. So the first part is okay. We will move on to the next part, that is 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2. But according to definition, what we want? Integral power of 10, not of 5. That's why this is not a scientific notation. I hope you understood the scientific notation well. Now let's solve another examples. So here we have write the given numbers in scientific notation. So let's see how to solve it. So here we have a number which is in standard form. मतलब ये जो नंबर दिया है वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. हमें उस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में एक्सप्रेस करना है. Now let's see how to do it. So first thing that we have to do in this case is that we have to find out where is the decimal point. And we know that here there is no decimal point, that means it will be at the end. Okay, so the first step is over now. That means we have identified where is the decimal point. Second thing, we have to decide in which direction we have to shift the decimal point. Okay, so we want the decimal point here actually after the 5. That means this point will be shifted towards left side. How many times it will shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 steps. Okay. Now with the help of format, we will write the scientific notation. .3. Okay. This is the first part. The second part will be what? In terms of power of 10. So 10 is there. So what will be the power? The power will be the steps that we have taken. That is 8 steps. And why we have written the plus 8? Because we have shifted the decimal point towards left. तो इसका दूसरा मीनिंग क्या हुआ? अगर हमने डेसिमल पॉइंट को राइट में शिफ्ट किया तो ये जो पावर है वो क्या होगी? नेगेटिव होगी. बट इन दिस केस वी हैव शिफ्टेड अ डेसिमल पॉइंट towards left. That's why the power is positive. So this is the required scientific notation. Now let's see the another example. So हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि डेसिमल पॉइंट कहां पर है. It is here. Okay. So second thing, कहां पे लाना है हमें? 8 और 1 के बीच में. That means we have to shift the decimal point towards left side. How many times we have to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means we have to take 6 steps. Okay. Now with the help of format, we will write 8.1 into 10 raised to the power, yes, very good, 6. Okay, and we have written the exponent as a positive integer. Why? Because we have shifted towards left side. अगर डेसिमल पॉइंट लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट हो रहा है तो पावर पॉजिटिव होगा. अगर डेसिमल राइट में शिफ्ट हो रहा है मतलब दिस साइड तो पावर क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. So let's see the examples for it. First, you write this as the answer. Now let's see another examples. So here we have the third sub question as 0.0053. So we have to write a scientific notation for the given standard form. Now let's see how to solve it. So the first thing what we do, we see where is the point. So here we can see that there is a point. Okay, it is already given in the number. So this point we have to shift between 5 and 3. Okay, so that means we have to move towards right side, towards right side. That means the power, that means the exponent will be negative. Now let's see what does that mean. So to reach here we have to take how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. Okay, so if the point is here, that means 5.3 it will become. And how many steps we have taken? 1, 2, 3. That means -3. This minus indicates that we have moved towards right. Okay, now this will be the final answer. Now easily you can compare that. The first part is between 1 and 10 and the second part is in terms of integral power of 10. That means 10 का power. और वो पावर भी क्या है? नेगेटिव है. नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज पावर कैन बी पॉजिटिव और इट कुड बी नेगेटिव ऑल्सो, बट इट शुड नॉट बी अ फ्रैक्शन. Okay, now let's see the another example. So here we have the next sub question as 0.000786. Okay, and we have to write its scientific notation. Let's see how to do it. See, decimal point is here. And we have to bring this decimal point here between 7 and 8. Okay. Now, so where we have to shift? We have to shift towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Towards right. मतलब exponent क्या होगा? Yes, negative होगा. Exponent मतलब power. Okay. So 7.86 into 10 raised to the power. कितने स्टेप्स हमने मूव किए? 1, 2, 3, 4 स्टेप्स. +4 और -4? -4. Because decimal point is shifted towards right. अगर decimal point right में शिफ्ट हो रहा है तो एक्सपोनेंट क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. एक्सपोनेंट मीन्स पावर. So this is the final answer. Now let's see the another examples. So here we have write the following numbers in standard form. So in this they have given us a scientific notation and we have to write its standard form. Now let's see how to solve it. So here we have 6 into 10 raised to the power -5. The power is negative. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? पॉइंट कहां पे शिफ्ट हुआ होगा? टुवर्ड्स राइट. राइट साइड में शिफ्ट हुआ होगा. बट अगर वो पावर नहीं चाहिए तो हम कहां पे आएंगे? वापस लेफ्ट साइड में आएंगे. सो हियर वी हैव 6 एंड वी नो दैट द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज हियर नाउ, बट वी हैव टू टेक 5 steps टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal point will come here. So at every place you will put 0. Okay, and in the whole part also 0. So with the help of pencil you can do this. Okay, so that you can erase it also. So this is the required answer. Now let's see the another example. So in another example we have 5.32 into 10 raised to the power -4. So it is what? Scientific notation and we have to write its standard form. Now let's see how to solve it. Again the power of 10 is negative. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि डेसिमल पॉइंट को हमने कहां पे शिफ्ट किया होगा? टुवर्ड्स राइट. अभी कहां पे लाना है आपको उसको? टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. Okay, so here we have Just 2 minutes. So point is where? Here. Is or no? And we have to take 4 steps towards left side. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point will come here. 0. Okay? So at every place we will put 0. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th place. Okay? So whatever the lines that you will make, please make it with the help of pencil. Okay? So this is your required answer. So just remember one thing, the power is negative, that's why we are coming towards left side. Why? Because power negative कब बनती है? जब हम right side जाते हैं. अब हमें वो power नहीं चाहिए, तो हम कहाँ पे आएंगे वापस? Left side में आएंगे. Okay? So I hope you understood today's class well. Have a great day, students. Thank you very much.